Hello? Hello? There you go, now you're online. Hello everyone, welcome back to Xianne's vlog. Did you notice I changed my name, Xianne's word, to Xianne's vlog? Why? It's because I was copying another YouTuber's name. And don't worry, I already changed it. So, today, you guys are going to explore my room. Isn't that beautiful? So you can comment right now, okay? So let's explore my room first before we can play. Okay, so here we are.
Wow.
First, let's start with my bed. We are going up to bed. Before I show you my bed, please like and subscribe. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh, it's a bit blurry. Blurry, I mean. Okay, there you go. So, sorry. Well, I was trying to make funny. Okay, anyways, these are my plushie, starfish, and my mushroom. I mean, yes, also my flower. And, of course, my pillow crown. Yes, because I'm a princess. Okay, anyways, you check this out. This is my blanket, okay? Rate this 1 to 10. Well, I think you guys rate 8 out of 10, but you can comment because it's for kids. Let's go downstairs and check this out. Hello everyone. I'm prettier. So, say hi to the mirror. Okay. I hope you're watching this because I was trying to make something funny. Look, my imagination twin is here and showing the iPad. And there's another one. Okay. Okay, now let's show you my desk.
Wow.
Here is my desk. My glasses, whiteboard, also. Yes, my drawing. We're gonna draw later, but please join me, okay? Now, let's open this up. Where is it? Okay, there. Ta-da! You see me? That's me. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's my money. These are my sunglasses. Bald girl. My comb with hair. And yeah, it's a bit dark. Yeah. Also, crafting. Yes. My clip. And these are the clips, okay? And my school notebook. Let's check this out. Oh, no, you're not gonna see this. Okay, there you go. Also, look down here. These are my pens, my pencils. Is it a bit dark, guys? Sorry. My nails, we're gonna play that later in my my ruined bracelet and my notebooks. My pencil case. It's my Melody. I think your favorite Sanrio is my Melody, Kuromi, Cinnamon Roll, Hello Kitty. Okay. Ooh. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, here we are. So, let's move this. Bye. You too. Oopsies. Now, wait a moment, okay? There you go. Fix it already. Okay, now let's check this out. Did you notice my bracelet's here? Bruh. Okay. These are my dolls. Yes, Disney dolls. My book. Oh! Do you remember this? If you like and subscribe, you earned my doll and this one, Pop Custom. Make sure to like and subscribe because I'm getting popular. Okay. Stay there, Princess GJ. Oh, this is my bracelet maker, my books, and my other dolls too. My brother broke it. Literally. It's worst. Okay, let's just move it back. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Sorry, it accidentally fell. Guys, sorry for that because this thing hit on my dog. Well, actually, I'm gonna show you my dog, but first I'm gonna show you my chair. Clean. Okay. Also this. My coloring materials, fan, a keyboard, books, like drawing books or something. My classmate. Why is this so blurry? Why is this so blurry? Let me show you my drawings. You know, I'm really good at drawing. And do you think you can beat me? Of course, I can beat you. I'm just kidding. I can't because I'm not very good at drawing people. Okay, there. Ta-da! Which one is your favorite? It reminds me a lot that your favorite is this one. Of course, because it's cute and you fell in love with another guy. Also this, because you're like surprised. These are the emotions. And another one is, this one is happy. I think someone chose this. Or this. Or this. Yeah, totally. This one is nauseous. Dead. Sleeping. Evilness. Okay. And this one is my another amazing drawing. Yeah. Morning and night. I'm a very good artist, right? I should draw this other page instead. Okay. Are you guys ready to draw?
Yes, of
I
course.
love your response. Okay. Wait. In 3, 2, 1. Go. Start getting your coloring materials, pen, pencil, erasers. Now you can draw. So, watch me draw or you can join me. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Are you excited to see my drawing? In 3, in 2, in 1.
Wow.
It's emoji cat. like and subscribe, and hit that bell. This is me in emoji cat. Do I look beautiful? Rate this in 1 to 10 first. 3, 2, 1. Aw, thanks for rating me. Now, let me see your drawing.
Here is my drawing.
Looks simple and great. Good job. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. Good job. You did such a great job. Okay. So, if you like my drawing, like and subscribe. So, I'm gonna put this back. So, you know what? Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Ding. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Xianne and Gigi's Happy World. There's a lot of posts in my old account, Xianne. But there's funny reels in Gigi's Happy World. Yippee!